Well, hello there, YouTube, and I want you to sort of just stay quiet and just listen. Isn't that pretty cool? Well, that's one of the things I really like about having an escape pod, a getaway van, or I'm not even sure what to call it anymore because it has so many uses for me. Everything from, and I've mentioned it before by the way, everything from a place to crash out after my trail running adventures, or when I'm trying to work out, or even when I go for a walk, just a nice place where I could sort of just crash out. And I think that's one of the things about having a built out like camper van, even though it is only partially built at this time, that's really useful. Now I've got my diesel heater running because it's actually getting colder now. I'm in Canada, and having the diesel heater is excellent for me because it keeps everything warm, nice dry heat. I do have a propane heater, a Mr. Big Buddy, but it creates a lot of condensation, and that's something you want to try to avoid just because because of mold, right? So, but for the most part, it's been really useful for me, the Mr. Buddy, especially when I have the side door open and I'm just looking outside and I want a quiet experience in terms of just looking out. So that's one of this. Again, I mentioned the diesel heater. Glad I installed it back in August. Good move, as opposed to now when it's really cold. So what's the other thing that I wanted to talk to you about? I think that's about it. I just want to make this really quick video just to mention one of the perks of having a sort of like a little home, home away from home with you, especially when you're out and about. It's really handy, it's really comfortable. Okay, anyway, have a great day, and if you like the videos that I put out, please thumbs up it, like and subscribe, and if you subscribe, you'll get notifications on how to build out your own van later on, in terms of how I built my own van. Maybe that's something you want to do yourself. I'm going to go through my van build sort of one by one, quick tour, and I'm going to talk about how I actually built it. I don't have actual build videos, but I can give you information on how I actually built it, and then hopefully I do have some pictures from before that I can post up with the video. And if you have any comments, please post them. Yeah, it's important for me to know what you guys want to see, what you're thinking, and if I can deliver it, I certainly will. Okay, have a great day, and remember, you're awesome. Bye-bye.